Mineral industry in India essential for growth. It's a very great topic. And the importance of mining was known from our Rajas and Maharajas. We know Kautilya. Kautilya in his Ardhashastra says, indicates that mines and minerals are the treasures of the nation. So importance has been in the olden age itself. And one more I would like to say. You observe everything around you. In this room, outside the room, directly under the sun. Everything has to be come from the ground, Mother Earth, by agriculture or by mining. You see, if you are not able to produce by agriculture, you have to get it from mining. Means we can immediately come to know what is the importance of the mining and how the mining is relevant to the growth of the nation. In the mining, we are used to do so many minerals, maybe ferrous and non-ferrous. But here I took the topic of beneficiation of subgrade iron ores from Bailadila sector. I am not going to give you more statistics about the iron ores available in the India and world, and I will be going to directly to the topic. The iron ore we have collected from our deposit 10 and 11A. Of course, before that one, let us see something. As per the UNFC, what is the reserves and resources available in India? As per latest 2010, we are having the reserves of 28.52 billion tons total, which includes hematite and magnetite only. And this one also, we are having various types like high grade, medium grade, low grade and others. If we take high grade, these are having very less, around 11%. And medium grade, these are having very high at around 68%. And low grade, 19%. And others, very less 2%. Usually, whenever we are going for the blast furnace feed, most of the times we will be, in the previous days, we used to get it by simple operations like crushing, washing and classification. This is one of the flow sheet in the olden days where we are able to get very rich grades of iron ore. In the future, we are not sure we are going to get the rich grades of iron ore. So then we have to explore other methods. And how long this available iron ore will last for. Lester Brown of World Watch Institute has indicated that this available iron ore will be lasting maximum 64 years. Of course, when he given the statements already 10 years is over. Imagine what will happen if iron ore is not available. At present, no other material can substitute the iron and steel. If iron and steel is not there, we cannot do anything, or any nation cannot progress. Till that time, what we have to do? Then we have to plan how to conserve, how to utilize the available iron ore with us. In this one, mainly we have to go for the available ores with us has to be beneficiated, used and reused. Then only we are going to meet our future requirements. Now, in the same case, NMDC always strive to be conserving the minerals and always in the forefront to beneficiate the low grade and subgrade ores. In that matter, we are proud to say that we have developed so many flow sheets to beneficiate BHQ and BHJ. In the same manner, we have planned to do various beneficiation studies with the low grade iron ores. The process what we have gone through for this particular case is like this. As we saved ore is brought from our mines after proper sampling. The sample which we have brought from the mines has been thoroughly mixed to get the homogeneity. Later on, representative samples were drawn from the as received sample for various studies like head sample chemistry, physical properties evaluation, screen assay analysis, batch scale laboratory studies, pilot scale studies. Of course, mineralogy and liberation studies, that is compulsory before going all the studies. Various samples we have sent and we have tested like in this manner. Some of the photographs when we are going for the homogeneous mixing and evaluation of physical properties of them. Then coming to the chemistry of the as received sample what we have brought from our mines. This is Fe is 55%, SiOT is 15.16%, alumina is 1.51 and LOI is 3.6%. Here if you observe, the main problem is with the silica. Our problem is half solved. If you are able to reduce the silica levels in the products what we are going to get in the future tests, then whatever the products we will be getting will be suitable for the blast furnace or DR grade for making as a CLO, calibrated lump ore, sinter fines and pellet fines.